Hello YouTubers, it's Saturday morning. I'm out here in the shop. I'm working on modifying this six-wheeler, putting a brand new Predator engine in it. A customer of mine bought this thing for $500 and it had a bad motor in it. The motor was actually, the bore was in good condition, but the flywheel stripped. The starter doesn't work and the pull start doesn't work, and these older motors, it's inobtainable parts. Just a bummer, but I'd rather work with a new modern motor anyway. So I got this Predator 420 engine from the local Harbor Freight, and we're going from there. I've had it in twice. Takes about a half dozen times to get these mounted and in place, and I ended up, this motor came in with a real high air cleaner mounted way up here and an equally high exhaust manifold that mounts way up here, and I need this space. When this motor's sitting in there, we're barely clearing that, so I got a modified air filter set up and a modified tailpipe setup. This will replace that high stock exhaust and we'll plumb it out in its original hole, which is right here. I originally bought a 6-foot choke cable, tested it out, and went back and got a 9-foot choke cable. I've got a 72-inch throttle cable, which I think I can make work. And I built this plate. Motor will mount on it. I'm going to have to set this plate up on studs facing downwards. Then I'll drill a hole in the bottom of the pan here and put a nut and tighten it from the bottom. There's just no way to reach these. I had to cut this half of the frame rail out, so I put a piece of steel to back it up, a double angle piece of channel. That should cover that. And it's about time to drop it in once more. I just cut this was rubbing on the last drop in. So here we go, number 3. I'm working with an old-fashioned rope hoist. These really work well, especially for light applications. This motor's not that heavy, but it's heavier than I want to lift in and out of here a half dozen times. And this way it goes in nice and slow. And it barely fits. We did get good belt line up on the last drop in. Very hopeful on that. tight fit. I like that. That's clearing. Everything's clearing. There. And this is just a simple eyeball belt alignment. There's just no crazy way to get that perfect. Make sure you're clearing all the way around. Once you get it in a happy spot, I've got a Sharpie around here somewhere. I basically mark where it's setting, pull the motor out, pull the plate out, and then I'll drill for motor mount bolts, get them set, and get ready for the next step. Kind of a one-shot deal. You got to be pretty dead on. I quoted him $1,000 to put this motor in here, and that's including the motor. I spent $400 on the motor. Really a good chance I'm going to lose my ass on this one, but what do you do but try for your friends? We got good clearance all the way around. I'm going to mark it and start drilling. Thanks for watching.